Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra, and this is where we discuss everything about the stock markets, early and opening action as well. So let's start off with the benchmark indices. The Sensex, the Nifty both opened gap down in trade following the weak global cues. The US markets shut shop on a weaker note. The Asian market started today's day on a weaker note as well. And the STX Nifty indicated a poor start for the Indian markets. What's worse is that after opening about a few hundred points lower, the Sensex is now at trading at the lowest point of the day, down over 650 points in the intraday trading session, or down over 1% as well. 200 points gone on the Nifty as well. 17,700 gone as well. Over a percent decline being seen. Nifty Bank also down in trade. 300 points right there. So a sharp fall from those record levels of yesterday. 40,897 being seen on the Nifty Bank. What's taking the markets down? Well, the sector that is still the worst performing sector is the IT sector. All through this week, this is one sector that has been a poor laggard. Talk about the best performing sector out of the worst. All the sectors are actually trading in the red, but still, one of the better performers would be pharma, where the decline is lesser of about 0.4% in trade. The biggest loser on the index today is Tata Consumer Products, down 3.5%. However, the biggest gainer is IndusInd Bank, still holding up into the green, 2.26% up in trade as well. What are the other highlights right here? So if I talk about the broader markets, mid and the small caps, they are also both down 0.75% each. The India Wix, the fear gauge or the volatility index is up by 3.8%, now inching above those 19.09 levels as well, inching closer to the 20 levels. And that's why you're seeing through this week, a lot of volatility is being seen. Only three gainers of the Nifty 50 stocks today: IndusInd Bank, Cipla, Sun Pharma. Pharma, in fact, leading the pack in today's trading session, was dragging the street. Tata Consumer Products, M&M, Tech Mahindra, Hero Moto, TCS. Autos, IT dragging, and also the FMCG counters too. Among the sectors, all of them are down in trade. The sharpest fall being seen in the IT space, followed by also sharp declines coming in for the auto pack in today's trading session. The realty stocks are down over 1% as well. Talk about the financial services, the banks, the PSU banks, all of them are down in trade as well. And it's an all across downtrend. Metals are down in trade. Talk about the FMCG counters, they are down in trade. The pharma is also down, just here and there, some gainers coming in, which I've already discussed with you as the top gainers on the major indices as well. So, which are the stocks you need to watch out for in today's trading session? Well, Tata Motors is going to be in focus. It expects 20% of the total passenger vehicle sales in domestic market to come from electric vehicle. That's a positive news, but we actually are seeing some broader decline here based on what's really happening across the world. You have Adani Ports that's in focus. Telecom shares would be in focus. Reliance Jio has commented its lead in the Indian telecom market. It has gained 2.94 million mobile subscribers in July, as per data released by TRI. Also, Patanjali Foods plans to list four of its group's companies over the next 5 years. So IPOs coming from the performance on the Ruchi Soya relisting as well. So keep an eye out on that, because under the Patanjali umbrella, four more, there'll be announcements coming in on our platform as well. You can hear Baba Ramdev talking in the press conference. So all of those details will be coming to you. Well, all across the board, what are the concerns? Fitch has lowered FY23 GDP growth forecast for India to 7%. IMF has seen global economic slowdown in the third quarter. Downside risks continue to dominate the global economic outlook. That's one factor where the somber mood has come in from. Oil has fallen 3% on demand concerns and on the stronger dollar as well. Brent crude at $90 a barrel. US retail sales, however, have unexpectedly risen in August, but the weekly jobless claims have fallen as well. The FII data indicates that the FIs have again sold 1270 crore rupees worth of shares in yesterday's trading session. So that's again something that you need to keep in your radar. What are the experts really talking about here? Well, VK Vijay Kumar, Geojit Financial Services, expert on equities, he says that globally a major concern on how is that how Fed might oversteer and end up raising rates too much too fast, pushing the US economy into a sharp recession. There are talks of terminal Fed rate rising to 4.25% as well. So sharply rising rates, rising bond yields, and rising dollar are the key negatives for the equity markets currently. And in this challenging environment, it would also be difficult for India to sustain the recent pattern of decoupling from the global trend and emerging as a strong outperformer as well. So those are the concerns that are weighing on the markets today.